If you want to delete all your TikTok messages at once, here's what you need to know. TikTok currently doesn't offer a direct delete all chats option. But you can still quickly clear your messages manually with this simple method. First, open the TikTok app and go to your inbox. Now, tap on any conversation you want to remove. Press and hold the chat, then tap on delete. To speed things up, go back and repeat the same steps for each conversation. This is currently the fastest way to delete TikTok messages in bulk. If you're trying to manage privacy or free up space, this method works reliably without any risk to your account. Also, avoid using the report a problem option for deleting chats. It doesn't guarantee message removal and is not an official solution. So, yeah, while there's no one click option yet, this is the safest and most effective way to clear all TikTok chats in 2026.